Your app can't locate the software scale module DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. To start fixing software scale module manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This DLL file is a specialized library from the FFmpeg project used for image scaling and color space conversion. It allows applications to resize video frames and convert between pixel formats with high performance on PC. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This error commonly appears when specific FFmpeg files are missing or corrupted in the app folder. Reinstall the official version of FFmpeg to repair the application and replace the software scale module DLL dependency. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the software scale module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. A brief word of caution. Not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Remember that the software scale module DLL operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If you're addressing the software scale module inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. To keep the software scale module running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.